Hello student, good morning to all of you. Okay, so our today's topic is magnetic field due to a current carrying conductor. So in this topic we will see about the magnetic field which is formed due to a current carrying conductor. Current carrying conductor means a conducting wire or a wire which is having current, okay, or a wire uh, with the flowing current in it. Okay, now see what it contains. When electric current flows through a conductor, a magnetic field is produced around it. Okay, so, when electric current flows through a conductor, okay, suppose a electric current is flows through a conductor, then a magnetic field is produced around it. Okay, so a current carrying conductor always produce a magnetic field. The pattern of magnetic field produced by a current carrying conductor depends on its shape. Obviously, what type of pattern is formed by a current carrying conductor is depends on the shape of the current carrying conductor or current carrying wire. Okay, see the next one. Different magnetic field patterns are produced by current carrying conductor of different shapes. Okay, different magnetic field patterns are produced by current carrying conductor of different shape. Okay, or if the shape of the current carrying conductor is different, then obviously the different magnetic field patterns are produced by the current carrying conductor. Okay, now see the next one. Magnetic field due to a current through a straight conductor. Okay, so here we will see on what factor the magnetic field is depend. Okay, or the magnetic field which is produced by the current carrying conductor is depend on the what type of factor. Now see, the magnetic field lines around a current carrying a straight conductor are concentric circle whose centers lie on the wire. Okay, so here we will see that a magnetic field lines around a current carrying a straight conductor are concentric circle whose centers lie on the wire. Okay, next, the magnitude of magnetic field B produced by a straight current carrying conductor wire at a given point is, okay, on what factor the magnetic field is always denoted by capital B. Okay, this is your magnetic field. Okay, so on what factor the magnetic field B is depends. Okay, first factor is it is directly proportional to the current I passing through a conductor. Suppose if this is a conducting wire and a current I is flowing through this wire, okay, then here a magnetic field is produced like this only. This is the shape of the magnetic field produced by a current carrying conductor. This is your wire. Okay, so the magnetic field is directly proportional to the current I passing through the wire. It means if you increase the amount of current, then magnetic field will be increases. Okay, B is directly proportional to I. It means that if you increase the current, then B will increases. Okay, next, if current is increased, then the magnetic field produced is strong and vice versa. Vice versa means if current is decreased, then the magnetic field produced is very weak. Now see the next point. Inversely proportional to the distance r from the wire. Okay, the magnetic field B is inversely proportional to the distance. It means that if you suppose you are here, the magnetic field is strong, and if you increase the distance from the wire, suppose in the next point you are here, okay, then here the magnetic field is weak, obviously. Okay, so if you go far away from this wire, then magnetic field will be weak only. Okay, so inversely proportional to the distance r from the wire, it means that V is directly proportional to 1 by r, or V is inversely proportional to r. It means that the magnetic field is stronger at a point which is nearer to the conductor and goes on decreasing or moving away from the conductor. Okay, suppose this is a current carrying conductor and these are the magnetic field lines form a concentric circle. Magnetic field lines are form a concentric circle. We have already discussed about it. Okay, so here the magnetic field is strong, and if you go far away from this conducting wire, then magnetic field will be weak. Okay, so by using these two equation, b is directly proportional to I and b is inversely proportional to R. If you conclude the equation number 1 and equation number 2, then what is the combined form of the equation? B is directly proportional to I by R. It means that if you increase the distance, then magnetic field will decreases, and if you increase the current, then magnetic field will increases. Okay, if the direction of the current in a straight wire is known, then the direction of the magnetic field produced by it obtained by Maxwell right hand thumb rule. Okay, suppose you are having the direction of the current in a straight wire. Okay, suppose you are having the direction of the current in the straight wire, then you have to find the direction of the magnetic field produced by the current carrying conductor. Then what you apply? You will apply the Maxwell right hand thumb rule in that case. Okay, we will see in the next video what is the Maxwell right hand thumb rule. Okay, thank you so much.